Here we have the AI generated file from the second experiment, and there's some weird implementation in there that I want to refactor so that it's less weird. And also there's some behavior when testing the file that's just wrong. So let's fix this up by asking the model to refactor this code. So first of all, let's get rid of the start x and start with variables because that's a source of weirdness. Okay, that seems fine, I guess. Won't know till we test it. And in passing, one really frustrating thing about Copilot in Visual Studio Code, you don't have access to the random seed and to other variables like the temperature settings and so on. And so if you type in the same prompt multiple times, as you can see here, the code that gets generated is different often. Sometimes it's weirder than others. This is really frustrating. You'll see towards the end of the video when I started to lose my patience. Anyway, okay, so we'll take the first fix that we got. Now let's try to improve something else. Let's get rid of that weird limit on the minimum and maximum size of the menu. Okay, that seems fine. Oh yeah, also let's get rid of that text. We're not supposed to see any text. Ah, geez. Okay, it added stupid comments. So let me do that again, but tell it not to add in stupid comments. Okay, the comments are gone, but the text is back. Remove the text and don't add comment. Okay, that's better. So if I go to do some testing, I can see that weird delay is still happening. When the drag goes to the left, you can see that weird white gap. So let's see if I can tell it to just use a better, more efficient implementation. Now it's getting worse instead of better. Like it's just weird now. And it's not fixed. And now the right div's not even the right size. This is worse instead of better. Okay, I'm not going to show it here in the video, but I tried a bunch of times to keep prompting it to, I don't know, choose a different implementation or a different approach or whatever. And it never got anywhere. It just got weirder and stupider. So I gave up trying to fix that with the AI. I threw in the towel. Let's see if I can fix that scroll bar thing. Okay, that's what we get. And yep, scroll bar is gone. And in case you're wondering, I went in there and I wondered what is causing that weird delay anyway. And I actually don't know, and I don't care either. But I figured out that when I comment out this line, the delay doesn't happen. See that? There's no delay. So if I uncomment that line, now we get the delay again. So I don't know, and I don't care, and the AI did not help.